Hi, I have Ashwin Shivkumar, CEO of Jugular Social with me. Ashwin, how does it feel to be a finalist at TIE 50?
Fantastic. So we are an Indian company, so we are basically very, very happy to kind of be here at TIE 50. Our new product, which is getting launched in August, is primarily meant for the US and the European audience. I think it makes a great platform for us to kind of give a launch here. So fantastic.
And could you tell us something more about your company? What does it do?
Right. Jugular Social, we are about 4-year company. So basically, we service an extended digital business department for consumer industries in India. And lately, we are kind of going into the personal branding space where we wanted to give a do-it-yourself platform for individuals to be able to brand themselves, position themselves, market and create an opportunity for themselves. So that's what we do. I think one of the interesting history for us is we are perhaps one of the first companies to take real estate transactions online in India. We did it back in 2009, 2010 timeframe. And we also did something very interesting in the healthcare sector. There's a tool called the Find a Treatment, where people can take treatment online from hospitals. So we did a few things first time, I think, and we're looking forward to the personal branding tool which we're launching.
And how is your product different from other products of this similar kind?
Right. See, right now, the whole personal branding space can be, especially in the professional personal branding space, can be dissected into three areas. One is the identity, the second is opportunity, third is marketing. The opportunity and the marketing sectors have been addressed reasonably well, but there's huge scope for improvement. But there is no go-to platform for building your own identity. That's what we are trying to tell.
And how would people find you? Is there a place on the web they can go and find you?
Right. So basically, we are going to have few interesting connects with both Google APIs and LinkedIn APIs. So essentially, one of the things is to make sure that we don't want to reinvent the wheel. Say, example, our notion of identity is you should look better on LinkedIn, you should look better on Google Plus and Facebook, which are already your social hubs. So since we're solving that problem first, so we'll automatically get noticed, I believe. So
Thank you very much.